నా పేరు శ్రీ విభావన్. నేను 2వ తరగతి చదువుతున్నాను. నేను ఇప్పుడు పోతన భాగవతంలోని అజేంద్ర మోక్షం పద్యాలు చదువుతాను. ఎవ్వని చీజనించు జగమెవ్వని లోపల నుండు లీనమై ఎవ్వని జుండు పరమేశ్వరుడెవ్వడు మూల కారణం ఎవ్వడనాథి మజ్జలయుడెవ్వడు సర్వము తానైన వాడెవ్వడు వానినాత్మభవు నీశ్వరునే శరణంబు వేడదన్. లోకంబులు లోకేశులు లోకస్తులు తెగిన తుది అలోకం బగు పింజీకటి కవ్వలనవ్వండేకాకృతి వెలుగు నతనినే సేవింతున్. కలడందురు దీనులు ఎడ కలడందురు పరమయోగి కణముల పాలం కలడందురన్ని దిశలను కలడు కలంటనడివాడు కలడో లేడో. లావొక్కింతయు లేదు ధైర్యంబు విలోలంబయ్య ప్రాణంబులన్ ఠావుల్లప్పెను మూర్ఛవచ్చతనున డస్సెన్ క్షణంబయ్యడిన్. నీవే తప్పై తప్పరంబెరుగమన్నింపందగుందీనునన్ రావే ఈశ్వర కావవే వరద సంరక్షింపు భద్రాత్మక. అల వైకుంఠపురంబులో నగరిలో నాంగుల సౌధంబుదా నందార వనాంతరామృత సర ప్రాంతేందు కాంతోత్పలోత్పల పర్యంకరమా వినోదేగు ఆపన్న ప్రసన్నుండు విహ్వల నాగేంద్రము పాహి పాహి అనగా విద్యాడించ సంరంభి సిరికిం చెప్పడు శంఖ చక్ర యుగమున్ చేదోయి సంధింపడు ఏ పరివారం చేరడ భ్రగవని వందింపడా కన్నికాంతర ధమ్మిల్లము చక్కనొత్తడు వివాద పూర్తిత శ్రీకుచో ప్రిచేలాంఛనమైన వీడు గజ ప్రాణావణోత్సాహి అడిగదనని కడుబడి జను నడిగిన తను మగుట నుడుగని నడయొడుగున్ వెడవెడ సిడి ముడి తడబడ నడుగిడు నడుగిడదు చెడిమ నడుగిడు నడలన్. ధన్యవాదాలు.
Good morning, respected principal sir, teachers, judges, and all my dear friends. I am Napoleon Bonaparte. I used to rule the world. Seas would rise when I gave the word. I used to roll the dice, feel the fear in my enemies' eyes. My enemies are many, my equals are none. The shade of Tolu trace is that Italy could never be conquered. The land of pharaohs and kings. They said Egypt could never be humbled. The realm of forest and snow. They said Russia could never be tamed. Now they say nothing. They fear me like a force of nature, a healer in thunder and death. Great ambition and passion for great character. Those endowed with it may perform very good or very bad acts. All depends on prince which direct them. The fool hasn't get advantage over a man of sense. He's always satisfied himself. Until you spread your wings, you have no idea how far you can fly. A leader is a teacher in hope. I say I'm Napoleon. I'm emperor. I say I'm Napoleon. I'm emperor. Thank you.
Good morning. I'm Tariq of class 2nd B. Today I'm going to recite you a poem about pollution. Pollution everywhere. Living in earth has become a nightmare. Smoke and dust has filled the air. We are not able to go anywhere. Pollution is disastrous and way too hell, turning nature into ashes and making us unwell. Respiratory, heart disorders, and also the lung cancer. These are the gifts of pollution for which we have no answer. Air, water, and noise pollution. We are not able to find any solution. Every year it is increasing as the green belts are decreasing. Why burn crackers and do open constructions when we know it only leads to destruction? Choking smoke has replaced the clear blue sky. Pollution surely a devil in disguise. Let's fight with this devil together and fill our earth with pure and fresh air forever. Earth is our mother and we should take care of it all together. Air is full of dust and pollution. Let's fill it with pure oxygen. Cutting down forests is alarming. That's why we are facing global warming. Much tree plantation is only the better solution for air pollution. Global warming is great danger. Planting trees will be the game changer. Come dear children, where have you been? Plant a tree and let's go green. Trees add beauty to our place with their goodness and grace. Plant a tree to save the world. Plant a tree to save Mother Earth. Plant a tree to save the world. Plant a tree to save Mother Earth. Thank you.
Good morning. I am Saivashit of class 2nd B. Today, on the occasion of our Independence Day, now I am going to recite a poem in English. Earth is a land of phases, known for glory, for ages. None can with it compete. Its culture none can beat. Whatever caste or religion, all you are in unison. With rivers, sweet fountains, it's a land of high mountains. It's green for its pretty and a source of prosperity. Let's for it work hard, for its safety be on guard. Thank you. Jai Hind.
Good morning everyone. Respected principal sir, judges, teachers and all my dear friends. I Akshashri of class 2nd B. Today I am going to recite the poem A Smile. Let's start. A smile. It costs nothing but means so much. It enriches those who receive it without impoverishing those that give it. It happens in a flash, but sometimes the memories last forever. None are so rich, but they can get on without it, and none so poor, but are the right for its benefits. It is rest to weary, daylight to the discouraged, sunshine to the sad, and nature's best antidote in times of troubles. Yes, it cannot be bought, borrowed, or stolen, for it is something that is no earthly use anyone unless given away. And if in the rush of life, if someone is too tired to give you one, then leave one of yours. Smile, it is the key that fits the lock of everybody's heart. Thank you.
सुप्रभात आदरणीय शिक्षकगण और मेरे प्रिय सहपाठियों, मैं नमन सिंह दूसरी कक्षा का छात्र आज आपके समक्ष तन्वीर काजी द्वारा लिखित कविता तू खुद की खोज में निकलकर पाठ करने जा रहा हूँ। इस कविता में महिलाओं को उनकी ताकत का एहसास दिलवाया जा रहा है। उनसे कहा जा रहा है कि वो निर्भय और स्वतंत्र रहकर अपनी पहचान बनाए। तू खुद की खोज में निकल, तू किस लिए हताश है, चलते वजूद की समय को भी तलाश है, समय को भी तलाश है। तो तुझसे लिपटी बेड़ियां समझ रहे तो वस्त तू, ये बेड़ियां पिघाल के बना लें तो शस्त्र तू, बना लें तो शस्त्र तू। तू खुद की खोज में निकल, तू किस लिए हताश है, तू चलते वजूद की समय को भी तलाश है, समय को भी तलाश है। चरित्र जब पवित्र है तो क्यों है ये दशा तेरी, ये पापियों को हक नहीं, केले परीक्षा तेरी, केले परीक्षा तेरी। तो खुद की खोज में निकल, तो किस लिए हताश है, वो चलते वजूद की समय को भी तलाश है, समय को भी तलाश है। जलाता भास्कर से तो कूड़ता था जान है, जो कूड़ता था जान है। तो आती की लो नहीं तो करोती मशाल है, तो करोती भी तलाश है। चुनार उड़ाया था ध्वज बना, गगन में कब कपाएगा, गगन में कब कपाएगा। अगर तेरी चुनार गिरी तो एक भूकंप आएगा, एक भूकंप आएगा। तो खुद की खोज में निकल, किसलिए हताश है। चल तेरे वसूती, समय को भी तलाश है, समय को भी तलाश है। धन्यवाद।
Give up, don't give in. There is always an answer to everything. This, my friend, is for you. The trials that you face and the dreams that you chase. You're behind in your race and you're straying from your pace. Your mind is scattered all over the place and you're desperate for space. Little did you know, this is your time to embrace. Don't give up, don't give in. There is always an answer to everything. You know, we tend to hide what's inside and waste time on what could be. Yet isn't the key to believe in our own identity. Your past brought you here. This is where it all begins. Don't give up. Don't give in. There is always an answer to everything. So don't sit hour after hour while your tribulations tower. Don't forget the countless blessings ever rich you have been shower. Find your strength and your power to raise above the covers. Be like a flower that gives off its scent when it's crushed and devoured. Don't give up, don't give in. There is always an answer to everything. And I find myself running from a calamity, insanity to sanity. This is a reality that we forget who created us and molded us and made us human beings with detailed and fashion of DNA engines, who gave us a mind to judge our actions and routine by all means. Don't give up, don't give in. There is always an answer to everything. And yes, life can be quite a mystery, and the key to success doesn't come free. And if you believe that this is all decreed, then what will be, will be. But I guess not everything that we wish for is not always guaranteed. But your efforts won't be fruitless. Please don't think you're useless. We all serve a purpose. So please don't feel hopeless. Don't give up. Don't give in. There is always an answer to everything. And no, you're not just another number to be disposed of after. You're a mother, father, sister, brother, friend, and a lover. To be true to yourself is worth the struggle. Although the crickets make you suffer, trees lose their leaves, only to blossom by the summer. Don't give up, don't give in. There is always an answer to everything. So repel negativity with positivity and watch life bring every single possibility. And have an attitude for gratitude. And if you want to be happy, this is exactly what we are meant to do. Thank you.
Respected judges, principals, sir, teachers, and my dear friends, good morning to you all. I'm Vishwashriyati of class 2nd B. Today, I'm going to recite a poem composed by the American poet Henry Wadsworth Longfellow. The name of the poem is The Builders. The poem is about how we build our lives and make ourselves into a better person. All are architects of fate, working in these walls of time, some with massive deeds and great, some with ornaments of rank. Nothing useless is hollow, each thing in its place is best, and what seems but idle show strengthens and supports the rest. For the structure that we raise, time is with materials filled. Our todays and yesterday are the blocks with which we build. To reshape and fashion these, leave no yawning gaps between. Think not, because no man sees, such things will remain unseen. In the elder days of art, builders wrought with greatest care, each minute an unseen part, for the gods see everywhere. Let us do our work as well, both the unseen and the seen. Make the house where gods may dwell, beautiful, entire, and clean. Else our lives are incomplete, standing in these walls of time, broken stairways where the feet stumble as they seek to climb. Built today, then strong and sure, with a firm and ample base, and ascending and secure, shall tomorrow find its place. Thus we can attain to those turrets where the eye sees the world as one vast plain and one boundless reach of sky. Thank you.
सुप्रभात शिक्षकों और मेरे प्यारे दोस्तों, मेरी नाम है चिश्त सलील महंती और मैं दूसरी कक्षा में पढ़ती हूँ। मैं आज एक कविता पाठ करने जा रही हूँ। इस कविता की शीर्षक है कोरोना के प्रभाव। कोरोना की ये कैसी महामारी आ गई हम पर मुसीबत भारी। घर में सब कैद हो गए, बच्चे बूढ़े और जवान। पंछी में अब बस में पूछे कहाँ गए ये सारे इंसान। बाग सुने गलियां सुने, सड़कों पर नहीं है कोई जाम। हवा पूरी शुद्ध हो गई, प्रदूषण का नहीं है कोई नाम। लॉकडाउन के इस मौसम में मम्मी पापा के साथ मिला भरपूर। घर से काम करने से ऑफिस की चिंता हुई दूर। मम्मी ने रोज नई डिश बनाए, मार्केट की कभी याद ना आए। हाथ धोना, मास्क पहनना, दूरी का हम रखे ख्याल। इन सब बातों को अपना कर कोरोना को हम भगाए हर हाल। भागो करना अब तुम भागो, मत करो इतना अत्याचार। हम बच्चों की पाठशाला करे हमारा इंतजार। दोस्तों के संग में खेलूंगी, संग में खाना खाऊंगी। अपने टीचर को लॉकडाउन की सारी हाल सुनाऊंगी। रामायण महाभारत से सीखी सारी बात भुलवाऊंगी। जो नैतिक मूल्य हम भूल गए थे वो सब मैं अपनाऊंगी, धन्यवाद। Usdasanali means good morning. Osiyo, hello, I am a red Indian woman. I belong to a tribe of North America called Cherokee. My name is Arsila, which in my language means blossom. We are farming people. We also do fishing and hunting. We live in wood houses plastered with mud. Today I'll teach you the names of 4 seasons in Cherokee language. Winter is called Guha. Spring is called Guge. Summer is called Gugi. Monsoon is called Agasga. Wado means thank you. Usdaiga hega means have a great day.